Welcome to the second episode of zCloak Whiteboard, Application Scenarios of VC. VC is short for Verifiable Credential. It is a descriptive statement issued by a DID to endorse certain attributes of another DID. VCs can be used to prove the identity, capability, qualification, etc. of the DID subject. Generally speaking, a VC is a type of digital certificate issued by a trusted organization, such as a DAO, a government system, or a commercial organization, to its users or partners. This kind of digital certificate is created and verified by cryptography technology and is being used to prove that its owner has certain verified attributes. At zCloak, VCs are managed and presented with the zkID wallet, where they are locally stored in users' own device rather than in places like centralized servers or blockchains that are not private by nature. Furthermore, only DID subjects who have ownership of their VCs are able to control who can access and how to access their VCs. Unlike completely presenting an ID with all its contents in real life or full information disclosure in Web2 scenarios, zCloak realizes fine-grained control over identity information presentation, which is achieved by 4 disclosure modes: ZKP disclosure, digest disclosure, selective disclosure, and full disclosure. Based on the generic DID system, VCs make users feel that their privacy is respected and at the same time ensure organizations' confidence in the security and quality of user experience. For example, DAOs can achieve more efficient management based on DID system. Mock DAO's voting qualification is a good example. Here, the mock DAO community needs to vote on their members' proposals, but they want to set the requirement that only community members higher than level 2 can vote. In this case, by importing the membership VC issued by mock DAO stored in their zkID wallet, members can easily prove whether they are compliant with the voting requirement set by mock DAO. Everyone is welcome to experience this function at login.zkid.app if you're interested. In another example, during the pre-sale of some well-known NFT projects, the project owner would want to authenticate whether an early-stage purchaser has been added to the whitelist or has participated in some specific events, or owns certain NFT assets, or even meets all these conditions at the same time. For instance, the RM Arcade team's Skybreach land sale is divided into 4 phases, each of which is open to a different type of buyer. First batch buyers needs to own specific gems in Canaria, followed by those who were given special vouchers or were included in the whitelist, and finally the sale was open to all buyers. With DID plus VC, not only users' qualifications can be automatically verified by the platform, but also, as the user's experience and level in Skybreach increases, the VCs can be updated in real time and even be used as certificates to participate in pre-sales of other partner projects or become members somewhere else. The process is very simple. Instead of operations like entering an address on the platform, it has just a few clicks to complete. This verification process effectively protects users' privacy. From a long-term perspective, all offline and online services regarding the application of identity information can be achieved by the DID system, such as joint member key account systems, financial KYC, exchanges, smart city IoT, and other highly regulated interactive scenarios. Such scenarios usually require cumbersome documentation and electronic records to verify users' identity, which are proved to be expensive and time-consuming. However, with the generic DID-based system, the custody and use of VCs are completely under the control of users. Those who own the VCs can easily show their VCs to any kind of organization to prove that they are qualified for requirements such as a job, loan applications, or accessing certain secure apps and services. This not only avoids the need for users to repeatedly share their sensitive information, but also greatly reduces communication costs between users and organizations. Possible use cases include financial companies with mortgage service can use VCs to do KYC on an applicant while respecting the applicant's desire of keeping certain data private. Global manufacturers can host offline events and verify the vaccination history of attendees through VCs. Similarly, in cross-department governmental processes, DID plus VC can improve user experience and also ensure that user data is not revealed elsewhere. When companies do due diligence on their employees, DID plus VC facilitates proper material access and storage, and in the meantime ensures a tamper-proof process, and at last avoids the difficulty of verifying the authenticity of certain information. Another typical example would be for online services, including service providers like DEXs and wallet projects in the crypto industry. They usually require users to provide IDs, such as driver's license, ID card, or passport, to complete their KYC process. Simply uploading the ID documents may lead to user privacy leakage, along with the challenge that service providers cannot verify the authenticity of those IDs. With a DID-based system, service providers can verify users' information through the form of VC, which is more credible than traditional KYC authentication and can effectively protect user privacy.